Sometimes you want your sounds to be tonal, like a perk sound, or you just want to add tonality to a sound and make it playable. Or you may want to do some crazy sound design. In this video I'll show you 6 ways you can add tonality to your sounds. The reason your sound is tonal is that somewhere in its frequency spectrum there's a resonance or a group of them, loud and long enough and balanced enough in comparison to other frequencies, and that makes you hear a sound having a certain note. If your sound is lacking resonances though, you can add them manually. You can either do it by way number 1, manual EQ. You want to create a loud and spiky bell EQ. Now the sound got really loud because of the loud spike. So you need to use a limiter or a clipper, whatever sounds the best. You could also use straight up distortion as a limiter. Then resample it, and it's tonal. Make sure to tune it at the end. Way number 2, resonators. Another way is to use resonators that show you what note you're currently targeting. In this case, you have 2 different wave shapes. Another great resonator is corpus, a bit more complex and with more functions, different one for different scenarios. It also gives you more resonator types. Way number 3, formed filters. I especially like this one by Kilohertz. You find a spot that you like, you make the filter spiky, and boom, you got a nice tonal resonance. You can duplicate the plugin if that's not enough, finish it up with some limiting, and voila. Way number 4, tonal delays. Take a delay, increase feedback, turn off BPM sync and lower the time. Feedback is gonna act here as a tail of a repeating tonal sound. So more feedback means longer sound. Also less time means higher sound and more time lower. Way number 5, layered with a synth or a tonal sound. Also make sure to match the envelope of the synth with the sound. Bonus tip! What? Bonus tip? What the hell? Use a frequency shifter with a tonal sound to shift its pitch. This way you will not lose length of the sound while pitching it up. This effect gets rid of that chipmunky sound, and it works much better depending on the scenario. So that's it for this video. I hope it was useful. If you know about any other ways of adding tonality to your sounds, let me know in the comments. As always, if you're looking for quality sounds, you can check out oversampled.us, and if you're looking for quality plugins, you can check out plugins.oversampled.us. Anyways, have a great day and see you soon.